The doll exhibit is the second time I was able to have an expo for over 2,000 dolls. And I use segments of them to teach self-esteem. Everything that I do with them geared towards social change. Unity, that's what we need. I want the people to walk away with the message of, you know, I saw black dolls and dolls from around the world, and I saw all of them interacting with one another. We just need to stop the hatred, the meanness. That's what I try to bring out in my dolls. My organization is nonprofit. The name is Bright Historical Organization. It supports Black footprints, Blacks past and present. And Black footprints are 13 small presentations that I perform in the community. And the dolls is just one of them. I also wrote a book, and the name of my book is Look Beyond the Smile. And it's on child abuse. It's my autobiography. And you can easily see how all of these dolls, why I am protective of them. I am a child abuse survivor. I take care of all of these dolls because I was not a person who was taken care of as a child. You don't go in stores and you don't readily see black dolls. Black dolls especially are always in a, I would say, obscure place. They're just gonna be somewhere that's not gonna be noticeable. But I have these trained eyes that I will find them. I was at the biggest flea market in the world. I walked up to a booth and I saw a doll's leg sticking up out of the trash can. I pulled it up. It was a doll, black doll, had on a pretty pink dress, but the dress was soiled. And the lady said, "Oh, you can have it." So I took her and I brought her home, and she's a part of my project now. I do have a cataloging system. Each doll has a tag on the back, a barcode. I can scan the barcode and it'll tell where I got the doll, how long I've had it, what the doll has on, whether someone gave it to me. It has the whole history of that doll. If I find a doll and I cannot fix it, if I can't put the head back on or the legs on or do something, I will put it in my health section. I do not get rid of any doll. They're all so precious to me.